Air pollution is one of the most pressing environmental challenges of our time, with profound implications for public health, ecosystems, and the global climate. To raise awareness and catalyze action, the United Nations General Assembly designated September 7th as the International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies. First observed in 2020, this day serves as a critical reminder of the fundamental importance of clean air for human health, environmental sustainability, and economic prosperity.
According to WHO, almost everyone, 99% of the global population, breathes polluted air. This global observance underscores the urgent need for concerted action to mitigate the detrimental effects of air pollution, a pervasive issue that disproportionately impacts vulnerable communities worldwide. The theme for the International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies 2024, Invest in Clean Air Now, highlights the imperative to allocate substantial resources to address air pollution. By investing in clean air solutions, governments and businesses can reap long-term economic benefits while improving the quality of life for their citizens. The 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development also acknowledges that air pollution reduction is vital for achieving the Sustainable Development Goals.
Air pollution is a silent killer, responsible for an estimated 7 million premature deaths annually, according to the World Health Organization, WHO. Pollutants cause a wide array of respiratory and cardiovascular diseases. Vulnerable groups, including children, women, the elderly, and individuals with pre-existing health conditions, are especially at risk. The International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies 2024 reminds us that clean air is a fundamental human right, essential for our health, environment, and future. While the challenges posed by air pollution are immense, they are not insurmountable.
By taking action, whether as individuals, communities, or nations, we can collectively work towards a world where blue skies and clean air are not the exception but the norm. Sustainable development and a healthier planet depend on our ability to reduce emissions, transition to cleaner energy sources, and prioritize the well-being of people and ecosystems alike. This annual Day of Awareness is not just a celebration of clean air, but a call to action for a healthier and more sustainable future for all. Let us commit to investing in clean air now and striving for a world where blue skies are a reality for everyone. By tackling air pollution proactively, we can achieve transformative change and secure healthy air for all. Let's invest in clean air now.